This is Tessan. The use of extension cords make life easier. There is a wide range of uses of these electric tools in your home and offices, and you can use them in many different ways. This is a review and unboxing of Tessan Power Strip Tower with the 8 outlets and 3 USB ports. So let's get started. The charging tower with multiple outlets includes 8 AC outlets and 3 USB charging ports on a 4-sided tower with a 6-foot extension cord. Exceptionally compact in size with a much smaller footprint than the ordinary tower power strips. Power your desk devices with the 3 USB ports on this power strip tower from Tessan. This device features an intelligent circuit design that detects and adapts to the power needs of your device. It really plugs strongly when we plug the USA 3-pole Type B plug. The overload protection switch works perfectly and it comes with a power supply. With this compact hub, you can power the devices on your desk with the USB 3 ports with 8 outlets. Your big plugs will fit without being crowded because of the wide space outlets. Currently, I'm using 3 poles Type B, the USB plugs on the power strip tower, which fit very tightly, so this studio light is running smoothly. A surge protection includes a circuit breaker to prevent overloads and automatic shutdown technology to cut off the power of your devices when the surge protection expires. In order to prevent slipping and sliding, the base has 4 rubber feet. Because the base is wider than the power strip itself, the power strip is more stable than a power tower strip. This multi-outlet charging station has 8 outlets and 3 USB ports to charge your devices. A convenient design features wide outlets, a switch that allows you to turn it on and off, a low-profile plug with a flat surface, and a light that protects the socket from damage. An advantage of the vertical tower design is that it saves space. It is also much smaller than a typical tower power strip, measuring 5 into 3.9 into 3.9 inches, which keeps your desk tidy. In tight spaces, the right angle is easy to fit. You will never have to worry about power spikes or storm damaging your valuables with 1700 joules of surge protection. You can find the buying links down below in the video description, and it costs not more than $21.99. If you are interested in tower fan, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.